Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel. In this video, I will show how to show cash on delivery only for Saudi Arabia and hide for all other countries. So for this, I'm using the next Advanced Cash on Delivery app from Shopify App Store. You can also install it from Shopify App Store. I also attach the app link in the description of this video. After installing the app, you can open your Shopify admin panel and open the app. So when you're opening the app, you can see an option limit COD based on location. You can click on this configure button. You can enable the status and select your cash on delivery payment method. I'm selecting cash on delivery. And if you already added fee in your cash on delivery settings in using this app, you can toggle on this and you can select the cash on delivery fees. So we are not added fees, so we are not selecting anything. So this is the main section. We are selecting the location and we are restrict based on country and we toggle on this and we select allow COD for this country, right? And we are selecting Saudi Arabia. You can also select other Middle East countries like UAE, like that will also work. So you can select multiple one, right? So we selected cash on delivery only for UAE and Saudi Arabia. Since our video is about cash on delivery only for Saudi Arabia, I'm removing this. I'm selecting only Saudi Arabia, right? So the rule is active now. Now we go to our online store and we try to purchase a product. So I'm just clicking on buy now. Now you can see it's India, but cash on delivery still will be showing. But after you filling an address, and you can see when you fill an address, cash on delivery is not there, it's hidden. Now we're switching to Saudi Arabia. So we are giving a Saudi Arabia and we are giving a test address, for example. So this is one of the test address and you can see cash on delivery is visible. So this is how you can make cash on delivery only available for Saudi Arabia. If you're finding this video, please subscribe to our channel. The app link is in the description. You can check it out and happy selling.